gotta put the pressure on y'all in San Antonio. I gotta make sure y'all tacos is hitting now. Cause we got tacos too in New York.
Okay.
But you know, the cameraman back here shaking his head. I'm just saying.
We got San Antonio tacos. There's a difference for sure.
What's going on, guys? My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and welcome to Culture Shock.
So everybody, on today's episode, what we're going to be doing is doing a little bit of recap for Sounds of Summerfest.
You know the drill. Like, subscribe, click the notification button to get notified anytime we come out with a new episode, because you don't want to miss the upcoming episodes that are tied into this episode.
We are going to be focusing on our Starstruck segment.
Starstruck, yay.
We basically broke this up into 3 different parts. It was a lot of shooting that we did. So thank you guys for being patient with us, first of all, because we have been just
busy. We want to give you the best product that we could possibly can.
So
we got a couple interviews with Amadeus, who is the tour drummer for Trey Songz. He also is a music producer. Guys, awesome. We got to meet with NLE Chopper. We got to do some interviews with some of the locals. It was so much fun.
Without further ado, we are going to give you guys a little recap of Trey Songz' performance along with the interview that we did with Amadeus.
Good job.
Thank you.
Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Hey, TIC, take us the fuck out of this bitch. Thank you so much. I'm touching you tonight. I'm loving you tonight.
Amadeus, King Amadeus, New York.
Tell me a little bit about yourself. You're saying that you're like a music director. You do like all this kind of stuff. Like a little bit of backstory about you.
I am the music director and tour drummer for the one and only Trey Songz. I'm born and raised in the Bronx. A multi-platinum bad boy hitman producer. Produced for over 90 artists, from J-Lo to French Montana.
Wow.
Trey Songz, Chris Brown, CeeLo Green, Marcus Houston, Papoose, Remy Ma. List goes on and on. I do a lot of scoring, so I produced the ESPN First Take theme song. Score for Sprite, score for BET, MTV, VH1.
This dude's
and
involved.
We're here. We're here in San Antonio, baby.
Yeah.
We here, man. We out here.
So you do the music director for all this other stuff, and you're a drummer. How, as a creative, do you keep it together?
You know, first there's a passion, there's a love. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So, you know, when there's a love and it's a passion, you love it. It's not even a job. It's not even something you say it's a 9 to 5. I say it's a 24/7. So I enjoy it. I love it. It's how I eat. It's how I provide for my family.
I hear you.
And again, it's what I most enjoy. So it's not even a job. I just have fun. I enjoy it. I'm blessed to be in the position that I'm in. Working with so many amazing artists. So I'm just enjoying the ride, man. I'm 18 years in.
I hear you.
You know, as a young kid playing drums in 4th grade, hoping and wanting to be a successful producer.
Right.
I'm here today, and it's a great feeling, man.
So talk to me about that. What can you kind of like tell other kids or like other people with the same aspirations?
For me, it's me being who I am and me being my authentic self. And that's one thing that I always say is just be you. You know, oftentimes you're motivated, you're inspired by different people, by other artists, by other creatives. And sometimes you tend to want to be like them. But at the end of the day, you know, God created us all individuals. And we're all our own individual person, and we're all blessed with our own individual talent. So it's like, take your talent, take what God gave you, work hard, mold it to where you want it to be, work hard and get to where you know, and get there on your own and get there as you and as your brain, you know. So that's one of the things I say in regards to that aspect. Also, you know, as a creative person, man, create from the heart. Create from the heart. Don't create to a record that you feel a work. Don't create a record that you feel to compete against, you know, the other records and other artists that are out. just do what you do and tell the people the stories that are within. Open yourself up to the world and show them who you are as an artist. And I feel like those are the most successful artists, those artists that beat themselves and those musicians that beat themselves.
Man, I'm about to start taking notes right now. And that's really inspirational. So when was the last time that you guys came out to this area?
Man, it's been a minute. I'm not gonna lie. We tour a lot. We've been off, I would say, maybe about the last year or two. We always touch Texas, you know what I'm saying? And it's always love.
Tell people about what the culture is in different cities. That's the kind of stuff that our fans are like looking at.
So listen, with that being said, we come to New York from the Bronx, man. So you gotta come to Nick's Pizza. It's on Gun Hill Road.
Okay.
The Nick's Pizza. You got Philippe Chow. If you want to go upscale, you want to take your lady out, you want to fine dine, you want to, happen to see like Derek Jeter or like Chris Brown or French Montana in the spot.
Yeah.
That's Philippe Chow. You know what I'm saying? That's in the city. What else I like, man? Hunting Fish Club is in the city too. It's on 44th. You know what I'm saying? I got a few spots, man. Virgil's, you want that barbecue. You know what I'm saying? You want that dinosaur barbecue.
I'm getting so hungry
right now. We can do this, man. And then if you want to really talk that talk
about
that culture talk,
I'm
gonna take you to the hood. I'm gonna take you to where I'm from, 169th and Washington Avenue. You know what I'm saying? To the Chinese spot.
Hello.
Get that 4 chicken wings and French fries. Or that 4 chicken wings and fried rice.
He's preaching out here.
You know what I'm saying? So whenever you're in New York City, man, holla at your boy King Amadeus. I'll take you where you need to be. And if you haven't had BBQs, that's another thing.
What's going on out there?
Oh, that's barbecue too, man. But it's like a franchise, so it's kind of like all around the city.
Yeah.
Get you some ribs. Get you some. Get you some Henny wings.
Henny wings?
Fried chicken wings. Doused in Henny sauce.
All right, y'all ready? Let's go.
You gotta let me know, man. When y'all out in New York City,
we're gonna head out to New York.
Bring the cameras out.
We're gonna have a good episode, man.
We're doing right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Absolutely. So have you guys? I know that you've been to San Antonio. I think like once or twice or whatnot.
Yes, sir.
We're known for our tacos.
Really?
Yes, sir. We're known for our tacos,
Should've been here on Taco Tuesday. Really?
Breakfast tacos. I know that y'all don't have that up in the East Coast,
right?
But
trying to make this happen on camera.
Okay. So cameras come off. We might have another episode. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see. I got to figure this out, man.
Definitely got it. So we appreciate you guys coming out. We appreciate you interviewing with us.
Absolutely.
Culture Shock.
I love what you guys are doing. It's a very unique idea. Not the norm, and me being out here in San Antonio, man, I had to, I appreciate you guys interviewing me and valuing me and what I've done in music and my career of 18 years. So shout out to you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep putting the city on the map. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep highlighting the city. And we're going to see about these tacos.
Yeah. Next time you come to San Antonio, make sure it's like in December or something.
Okay. Yeah, a little chilly, you know what I mean?
A little bit colder.
No towel season. Jacket weather.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you coming out, man.
Blessings, King.
All right, man.
Everybody, we just experienced such a great festival. That was more than I could even ask for. The fact that we were backstage and just kind of got the full experience. Amadeus was such a cool guy. Yeah, definitely. Shout out to him because he told us a lot about the culture of New York. And that's exactly what this channel is about, is to ask, locals what they're doing and, how to experience different cities and different areas. So
we're definitely gonna put all of the links and descriptions of the places that he described as far as food.
Yeah.
Because that's definitely a big one. But we're definitely gonna put all the music, all the things that he has done, articles that he's been a part of, and
dude, his list was longer than like a CVS receipt.
I did.
That was crazy. He was just like, I do this and this. But I think the coolest thing about that was that he was just telling us that it's not a job to him.
Yeah.
And I think that that's something that I can take away from. Anybody that's interested in the music business can take away from. I think that it was really great to sit down with Amadeus and get to know Trey Songz drummer. So as well as all the other stuff that he's doing. So all good energy, all good
vibes. So I had a lot of fun filming. Thank you 94.1 for hooking it up.
Yeah, straight up.
Be sure to stay tuned for NLE Choppa's interview and also the full recap video of Sounds of Summer. Ooh. It's going to be, how the new kids say it, lit.
The new kids. You're just old. Thanks again for tuning in. My name is Bryce Chandler.
And I'm Drew Reinhardt, and you've been Culture Shocked.